Here today to discuss our certified cars, and right here is our 2011 Genesis, which is a certified vehicle, and I have here one of the competition's cars. Just your normal everyday Hyundai with some scratches and dings on it. We would like today to go over really what a certified car really entitles of, what the car comes with and how it's equipped. Right here,
the benefits, not only do you get a cosmetically clean car, as you can see, versus a regular car. A regular car is going to have nicks and knacks. We do a inspection as far as cosmetic. We also do a safety inspection on the vehicle. Go over the additional warranty you get on a certified vehicle. In your engine, you're going to get a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. You also get the powertrain, this engine trans. You're also going to get a 5-year 60. Covers everything on the vehicle. Above and beyond that, over a new car, the new car does not include this. This car comes with a 10-year, 24-hour roadside assistance. All certified cars have that. Above 5 years over a new car. On top of that, you're also going to get low rates. So you get special financing on certified cars. That's a benefit with here at Patrick Hyundai.
Here at Patrick Hyundai, we certified most of the cars that are going to be in a 2009 up to a current model. You can certify up to 4 years back of current model, but we generally try to stay in that new car type of condition range, and generally you're looking at cars in that 10 to 15,000 mile range. Like I said before, really important on the certification aspect is to make sure the car is much like a new car. That's very, very important with Hyundai's outlook on the certified program. But also you can look at the appearance. This is a pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2011 Genesis. If you come up to this car and I put it up against a new vehicle, you really would not be able to tell the difference between both of the vehicles. Reason being, it is a low mileage car, very clean vehicle, and it does have the appearance of having really been driven. And the car's been, like I said, gone through that type of inspection where we put it through that to make some of the things that we do to our used cars on the certified program, just on the safety aspects, did they check the tires to make sure that they're at least 75% life. We also check the brakes to make sure that they're at least at 50% life. It's really important on the safety aspects of the program. Plus about Patrick Hyundai, all of our certified cars, we run a Carfax.
We are currently the #1 leading certified pre-owned Hyundai retailer in the entire Chicagoland area. I want to thank you for watching this video. A certified used is the absolute best way to buy a used car because it's the closest you can get to new without paying all that new car pricing. And as you can see by our inventory again, we have the largest selection in the entire Chicagoland area for certified used.